everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about me unboxing the bags that I got from a Paris brand called Polène. Most of you requested me to do this video, so here I am. I'm going to be unboxing both the bags that I got and also be answering a few questions that you guys asked me to talk about. So let's get started. You all know the drill. So before we begin this video, if you are new here, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you don't miss another update from me. I had a list of brands that I wanted to buy when I'm in Paris and Polène was definitely one of them. I wanted to buy just one bag from this brand, but the moment I entered the store and I looked around, I actually, to be honest, liked a lot of their collection. Very minimalistic, very unique in terms of design. So I couldn't stop myself with just one bag, so I bought two. I'm going to be unboxing both and I'm going to be showing you. Let's unbox. The packaging is normal. It comes in a white box. I already did unbox because I had to do it for the immigration purpose. It comes in a dust bag. Bag I got is numero uno, which means number one. In this lovely color. It's so unique. And I absolutely loved this design when I saw it the first time. It opens up and it's got decent amount of space. It's like an everyday bag that I can usually carry, which can hold my phone, wallet and lip balm, sunscreen and stuff. So absolutely love this bag. There were so many colors in this design and I actually loved all of them. But this felt like more versatile and something that I can pair up with all the clothes that I have in my wardrobe. So I went with this color. The quality of this bag is amazing. So once you touch the bag, you know you're holding a really nice bag. The stitching, the finish, everything is great. Absolutely loved it. This bag is definitely cheaper in Paris. I paid 370 euros, which is close to $400. And I will be getting back 12% VAT from the money I paid. Same price in the US is $470 without tax. Definitely expensive here in the US and it's much cheaper in Paris. So let's unbox the next bag. Is numero 10, which means number 10, in this beautiful cognac color. Love the shape. It's so beautiful. Something that I don't have in my collection, definitely. This is how the bag looks. So this is the longer strap. They also have a smaller strap. So based on how you want to style it, you can switch to a smaller one or a larger one. So pretty for this summer and I can't wait to style it. For the price, I paid 470 euros and the price in the US is $650 without tax. So it's definitely expensive in the US here and cheaper in Paris. Let's move on to the questions that you all wanted me to answer. I picked only a few questions, so I'll be answering only those. First question is, are luxury bags cheaper there than USA? Luxury bags are definitely cheaper in Paris. It also depends on which brand you're looking for. Most of the luxury brands are made in France, so they are definitely cheaper. Plus, as a tourist, you don't have to pay the tax. So once you make a purchase, you'll be eligible for 12% tax refund, which you can claim at the airport. So it's definitely cheaper. So the next question is how to not be an impulsive shopper. What works for me is that I don't rush when I want to buy things. I take my own sweet time. Whenever I'm visiting the malls over the weekend, I make sure to go to the store, wear the bags in different sizes, different colors, and see how it looks on my body type, whether or not I will like the style, whether or not I will wear this more often, whether or not it's functional and I will like something like this to be worn like on a day-to-day basis or for an occasion or something like that. So I ask myself so many questions while I am window shopping. So the next question is, heard quality of Polène bags dropped after they got popular. What do you feel? So a lot of people say a lot of things, but I did visit the store and I have the bags in my hand. The quality is amazing. The finish is great. The stitching is on point. So I definitely don't feel like the quality has decreased in any way. Now come to the end of this video. I hope you loved watching the video. Keep watching. you.